how to delete past broadcast in Twitch. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to delete past broadcast in Twitch. So to do this, you need to follow these simple steps. Open up a browser, and on the web address bar, what you need to do is type in twitchtv.com, and once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is gonna look something like this. So here, what next you need to do is you just have to go ahead and press the profile icon located in the top right hand side corner of your screen. Once you do that, it's going to show you this sort of interface. So go to video producers. While you're on the video producers section, so here you could go ahead and select all the videos from the drop down menu. Now in my case, I do not have one single, that's because I have not even created one. So you could just see past broadcast. Once you locate that, and from here you could click the three vertical dot next to the video you want to delete. Then select the delete button and confirm it. With that, you'll have successfully deleted past broadcasts in your Twitch TV account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.